Alex, and I'm here today at home. Now, I feel like I haven't done much filming lately, and I haven't really, because the NEC is next weekend. Today, yeah, it's Saturday today, so Thursday next week I've got to get Jessie into the NEC, and I'll be there for 3 days. So if you want to meet me or meet Jessie, come and find the Rover P4 Drivers Guild club stand, and me and Jessie should be there, or Jessie will be there. She won't sneak off anywhere, but I might. If I'm not with the P4 Guild stand, I might be with the Allegro club stand, just saying hello and that. It's going to be very busy. A lot of people I know are going on the Friday, so that'll be full on Friday, like bam, there is everyone. Yeah, I can't wait. And me saying I can't wait, I've been rushing and doing a few jobs before I take Jessie to the NEC. One of the jobs being, as you may have seen on my post on YouTube, is I have been varnishing my door cappings just on the driver's side. This has probably had about, I'm going to say about 6 coats of varnish and 1 lot of sanding. Today I'm going to give it another sand and another probably 3 coats of varnish. Then I'll check it tomorrow. If I think it needs more, I will do more, because I've got until Thursday. Thursday morning is when I plan to put the wood back in. Let's hope it's ready, and I hope I can get it in on time. If not, I'll be going without the wood. Well, I'll take the wood, but it won't be attached to the door. So apart from that, I will show you what I've been doing, and my friend Graham, he's been helping me get her ready. She's a bit wet at the moment. Well, all my cars are, they're all sat outside apart from the Allegro. So I shall turn the camera around and show you what's going on. Lyndon's MG was residing in the garage, but I've pushed it out and chucked a cover over it, and the cover is way too big. And this is the small cover for the Allegro, but it's not small enough for the MG obviously, but at least it'll keep it dry. Land Rover's out here, badly parked, because I couldn't be bothered to take the steering lock off, so I just pushed it forward and it went this way. Mr. Jenkins is here looking all wet and sad with his rusty bits sticking out, but we'll ignore those. Sorry about the wind noise, by the way. Right, Jessie's here. We've got a replacement rear bumper on. It's not amazing, but it is better than the old one. It's not as bent and not dangerous. It hasn't got the rust peeling off of it, which is nice. So I'm happy with that. That looks good actually. It's the first time I've seen it in daylight. I've decluttered the back window a little bit, got rid of some stickers, just kept it simple with me AA1 and Alex's assets. Oh dear, it is windy, isn't it? I hope you're not getting too much wind noise. This side, I think I already updated you guys, didn't I? I painted the top of the wing, repaired some rust holes. Graham put a new piece of metal in at the bottom of the wing. My lovely freshly painted wheel arch is all muddy, gross. Blockley tyres are still excellent and they're not wearing funny, which is great. A replacement Rover 100 badge. This is the original, or an original badge. It's not Jessie's original one, but it's an original badge. I took the Repro one off because I felt it was a little bit, what's the word? I don't know, it's just such a minor detail, but I'll show it you. I'll take it to the front so you can see. You see the difference? I mean, yeah, it's nice, but I don't know, there's something about the original one with a little bit of patina. You know, the silver's gone a bit gold. I just preferred it. Which would you prefer? I like the original looking one myself, especially on that old grille. yeah, very muddy. I'm going to go and jet wash the mud off today because it is everywhere. Inside here, grey. Oh, that's, hang on. We have a replacement door handle I fitted on the driver's door because all the handles were like this, all knobbly bobbly. Unfortunately I haven't got one for here, so it does look a little bit odd, but I found a non-knobbly bobbly one on the internet, so I fitted that. That was really easy to do actually. We've had the door card off. Graham's put a new piece of card in because it was so warped it kept popping off. So we've got a nice new piece of card behind this one now. Door cappings are off, as you saw. I've ordered a new felt strip for here, I think. I'm not really sure what I ordered, to be honest. I'm not going to replace the channeling. I think that's okay for now. I just realised that's not shut properly. Oops. There we go. Yeah, I've not replaced that. I think that's okay for now, really. I mean, it's not amazing, but it'll do. Graham helped me. I say help me. He did it. He fitted the new quarter light seal. So now I've seen him do this one for me. I will attempt to do the other side on my own and film it. But I'm hoping that reduces wind noise and water ingress when the wood's back on. What else have I been up to? I cleaned it all in here the best I could, ready for the show. Treated the leather the best I could. Needs a hoover, I haven't bothered with that yet. Treated all the vinyl. Yeah, just cleaned all the dashboard up really. Oh, where's that badge gone? Oh, it's in my pocket. Let's put that back in there. I remember when I first got Jessie, that kept popping open. It was really annoying. You used to get your kneecaps if you were sat in the passenger seat. But I'm really happy with how she's looking now, you know. I mean, I don't like this seat. Yeah, but I can't afford to get it recovered. The back seat's gorgeous. You know, there's a little stain here, but I just put a teddy on there, be fine. But yeah, the back seat's absolutely beautiful. Look, excuse me. Look at this sad old wood. I didn't want to do it all at once. I just wanted to do the driver's door so people could see that I'm in mid frustration. I can't be bothered to lift the bonnet because that involves two hands. But I've tidied up the the engine bay. But you'll see that at the NEC if you come along. I'm sure there'll be plenty of photographs. Yeah, I shall go back into the garage and do some sanding now. And of course, no garage visit can be complete without a cup of tea. Sorry. I needed that. Yeah, I don't think Lyndon's going to be happy with me because I'm using his model railway table as a workbench. What else was I going to say? NEC, oh god. NEC is just like taking over my life. Really looking forward to it though. Really looking forward to it. So after the NEC, I think I want to say relax a bit, but basically I'm not going to do too much to the cars. November I've got to catch up with work. Ooh, sorry. I've got to catch up with work, you know, actual work where I get paid. I've got to catch up with that because I've took a lot of time off recently. And then December I've got a lot of time off and I'm going to go to London and help my mum sort out some stuff in her flat, so that'll be fun. I doubt she will want me filming that, but I might film some of the driving in London. Not sure what car I'll take yet. Probably the P4, but we'll see. It's always scary leaving a car in London. Yeah. I've not got a lot else to say really. I just feel like I've been a bit rubbish with the filming recently. I've got the final part of the Land Rover. I think it's the final part. It might be 2 parts. The final part of the Land Rover chassis repairs and stuff that I was doing. Been a bit slow getting that out. Apart from that, I don't think I've got anything else really in the pipeline. I've had some cars offered to me to film, but no offence to the cars that were offered, that they're not that exciting. Oh. Although there is a Rover Streetwise coming to my friend, so I think that'll be fun to film. Oh, and Joseph Lloyd, he's got a new car as well. He's got a Volvo. Oh, don't ask me which one, but it's purple. And it looks really cool. So, yeah, I look forward to driving that one. Yeah, I just don't know what the future holds, to be honest. I've had a lot of changes at home, which I'm not going to discuss with you now. But, watch this space. Thanks for watching.